In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create AI-generated video ad with Runway AI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to navigate the interface, choose the right model, craft a strong prompt, and turn a simple idea into a compelling short ad with just a few clicks. First, head to the left sidebar and open the Tools section. Then, choose Apps. This is your starting point for creative modules inside Runway, and it keeps everything you need for video generation in one clean workspace. Once you're in, look to the top of the screen and click on Video. That takes you straight into the video generation area where we'll do all the work for this ad. At the bottom of the interface, you'll see the model selector. Choose Gen 3. This model is designed for smooth motion, strong visual coherence, and cinematic dynamics, which makes it a great fit for short promotional clips and product ads. Selecting the right model here sets the tone for motion quality and overall style, so it's worth confirming you're on Gen 3 before you continue. Now, move to the text field and describe exactly what you want. Think like a director. Be clear about the subject, setting, lighting, and mood. For an ad, it helps to include the product type, the vibe you're going for, and any camera movement you want, such as close-ups, slow pans, or quick cuts. Mention materials, colors, and time of day if they matter. Short, precise sentences work best. What appears, how it moves, and how it should feel. Even a single line can work if it's specific and visual. If you need inspiration or a quick way to dial in a style, click on Presets. You'll find example looks and motions you can apply to your video. Use these as a starting point, then guide the result with your own prompt. Presets can save time by giving you a solid visual foundation that matches your ad's energy, whether you want something sleek and modern or warm and lifestyle focused. When your prompt looks good, click Generate. Runway will process your request and produce a video based on your description and any chosen preset. If the first result isn't quite right, tighten your language, emphasize the most important visual beats, and click Generate again to iterate toward your ideal ad. Small prompt adjustments can make a big difference, especially for pacing, tone, and product focus. And that's all it takes. With tools to apps, video, Gen 3, a strong prompt, a helpful preset, and Generate, you can quickly create polished AI video ads that look intentional and on message. Have fun experimenting, keep your descriptions clear, and let the model do the heavy lifting.